Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I go MIA sometimes here on YouTube, and then I come back and I post some videos and then I go MIA again. I don't mean to, I'm sorry. But yeah, these past few months I've just been kind of planning stuff and kind of getting an idea of what I want to do with my social media moving forward, with my Instagram, with my TikTok, all that stuff. And you know me, crazy girl over here, already planning stuff for Halloween and getting into that. So, you know, even though I've been not on YouTube, if you have Instagram or TikTok, I'm sure you've been following me there, and I do post regularly on both of those. But yeah, enough of me babbling. This is an old video that I did last year in 2021, using the Nightmare Before Christmas and Colourpop collection, which I think is just adorable. It's so precious. But basically I have probably another 5 videos that I just never uploaded from last year, from probably September to December. There's another 5 videos that are not from recently, I guess you could say. I guess recently, but like not super recently, you know? So I'm gonna upload all those and then we'll get into some new videos as well. I loved this collection. I do not know if it's available on the Colourpop website anymore, but I thought it was really precious. I think the packaging was just, it's perfect. So on point, so perfect. I mean, The Nightmare Before Christmas, I don't know, what word am I looking for here? Aesthetic. The feeling you get when you watch The Nightmare Before Christmas is the feeling I get looking at the packaging, because it's the same. I love it. It's just so cute, and I think it really, you know, fits the Nightmare Before Christmas theme. I saw some people complaining, saying that there should have been a few more bright, funky colors in the palette, and I can't agree with that. I definitely can't agree with that. Okay, but it's still cute, and the packaging isn't enough alone for me to buy it. Okay? I am doing a nice pink, smoky eye. I didn't really know where I was going with this, but it turned out pretty pink, so I decided to just go with the hot pink and black smoky moment. Look at the pigment on that. You guys can use my discount code with Colourpop for pretty much anything on the website now. You used to not be able to use it for collaborations like the Hocus Pocus collaboration, or Hello Kitty, or The Nightmare Before Christmas. It used to not be allowed, but I'm pretty sure now the discount code works for anything on the website. Yay! I did a little technique here where I decided to apply my eyeshadow primer on my lower lash line and do my lower lash line eyeshadow before doing my foundation. Typically I do my lower lash line after doing foundation, but I just wanted to try this technique out. I really liked it. It gave a very blown out smoky look. Also, look at that packaging. Did you see that Nightmare Before Christmas packaging? The black and white on the inside, the stripes, the pops of color. Yes. And right here, this is my first time using that Pat McGrath Skin Fetish foundation. I had always wanted to try it, and I decided why not get it, because I had $10 off with Sephora. So I went ahead and purchased it because I had always wanted it. Foundation is something I never splurge on. I worked at Sephora for many years and I got so much foundation for free, so it was a tough decision for me to decide to buy a very expensive foundation, but I'm very happy I did because I love it. I definitely only use it when I'm actually going out because it is so expensive, but it gives really pretty coverage. It's a perfect match. I love it. I used my Hourglass concealer first just to even everything out, and then I'm going in with my Anastasia concealer in a much lighter shade to brighten everything. I'm also using the Nightmare Before Christmas and Colourpop sponge, and it has 0 on it. I bought 3 extras of these just because I thought it was so cute. Blend in, blend in, blend in. Slapping yourself in the face pretty much with a sponge. And then I dipped my sponge into my setting powder. I do believe I'm using the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie powder. I didn't show it and I can't remember. I'm so sorry, but that is one of my favorite setting powders, so I'm assuming that's what I was using. And then of course I'm using my Lunatick LASplash Cosmetics Contour Palette Volume 1, my favorite contour palette. I will always go to it no matter what. My ride or die contour palette, okay? It's got everything you need in it too. Contouring my nose just a little bit. I know I have a little tiny nose already, but I just feel like a little bit of contour just brings all the contour together, you know? Going in with my Huda Beauty Glowish blush. I really love these blushes. The colors are so pretty and subtle. So when I want to do a more natural looking blush, those are they're really nice, and they have a little sparkle in them. Then I am just doing my lower lash line, my waterline, putting the black in there and smoking it out anymore. And this is where it gets really blown out. I don't know what I did, but I made it like really, really dramatic, even more dramatic than it already was. So there you have it. I'm using the Nightmare Before Christmas in Colourpop liquid liner. This is just their black liquid liner, but it's in like a cute Nightmare Before Christmas packaging. And then I'm taking the black shadow from the palette while the liner is still a little bit wet, and I am just blending that right into the crease, into the outer corner, and into my lower lash line as well. Going in with the shade 0, putting that right in my inner corner. Also highlighting my brow bone. Doing my inner corner eyeliner point. This was my first time using this mascara. It's from Bite Beauty, and I really like the mascara. It reminds me a lot of the Better Than Sex mascara, like the wand, the formula, everything. It's a very like chunky mascara. I hope you understand what I mean when I say that, but that's how I felt about it. And I've actually used the whole tube since this video. So I'm going in with the Couture Cosmetics Witch Lashes. Couture Cosmetics is such a cute company, you guys. They make so many spooky makeup products. You guys have to go check them out. They are one of my favorite spooky makeup brands. I love, love, love working with my spooky makeup brands. Look at these lashes. Oh man, they are something else. I love them. I'm going in with my LASplash Cosmetics Architect Lip Sculptor Liner, and it's just like a dark hot pink. And then, yeah, I don't know where this came from, but I said I want a bright pink lip. So I'm using my Spoiled Cosmetics liquid lipstick. And look at this. It's literally like a soft Barbie pink. Like, it's so pretty. And I don't remember the last time I wore bright pink lipstick, but I loved it. I put my hair in some little pigtails, you know, took my little my little skeleton hand, clips out. Doing a little bit of a highlight, my Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz, my favorite highlight. If you want something that's like glittery and blinding, that's the one. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm glad to be back, and make sure that you're subscribed so you can stay updated when I post. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.